So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix rate limit exceeded on your Twitter application. So if you're having the same problems as I'm having exceeded limit on my Twitter application, just follow this tutorial step by step. So the first thing we want to do is go to our phone settings. Now we want to scroll and find our application settings. We want to go to apps. Now we want to find Twitter. So it starts with letter T. So we want to scroll at the very bottom and find the Twitter application. So in my case, Twitter has updated their name to X. So we want to tap on X. So as you can see in this window, you can set the settings and options for your application. So first thing we want to do is to tap on notifications. We want to enable show notifications and check the allow sound and vibration option. Now we want to go on permissions and make sure to allow camera, files and media, and location. Just everything that Twitter or X needs to access through your phone. You want to allow that. Now we want to go to our storage option and just tap on clear cache. After that, we want to open Twitter again and see if our problem is fixed. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.